Let me show you something. If I ask you what you want to do next in this market, what might you say? Well, this looks like an impulse, a retracement. So you're looking for a point of interest somewhere here to be a buyer to then take the market up. Fair enough. What if I told you this is the daily time frame and this is the weekly time frame? All of a sudden, this that was your take profit has become your potential entry point, and this is now the take profit or the liquidity that you are targeting. Yet again, what if I tell you that this is what the monthly time frame looks like? Now, your confidence has returned in this long setup. See, there will always be conflicting signals in price. There is no chart that you would look at that will not give you enough cogent reasons structurally to be a buyer and at the same time to be a seller, because every single move is a retracement or a reversal of a previous move. So when this happened, it could have been a retracement of this move or a continuation of this move. So it would be a reversal of this downtrend and price will go up. And this one could have been a reversal of this up move and price is going down, or a retracement to come here and then go up. You do not know at any point in time which is which. This is why it is important that you determine your bias on a very high time frame ahead of time, and you go into the market looking for only one side of the market. Look, if you go into the market thinking, you know what, let's see what this week presents. If it gives me an opportunity to buy, I'll be a buyer. If it gives me an opportunity to sell, I'll be a seller. Every single move that you make, if it's invalidated by the market, will have you switching and flipping your bias. However, if you go into the market and say, I am only looking for short positions this week. Now, you would imagine that in 5 days in a week, especially if the market is not posting a unidirectional parabolic move, you will see, even if it's just 2 days of bearish price action. So if you know that there's bound to be bearishness this week, based on any analysis that you've done, and you go into the market saying, I am only looking for the bearish setup, two things will happen. One is that when the market is moving up against your bias, you are not interested in that market. So it will stop you from taking longs and you will potentially not be making money. But more importantly, if short setups don't appear, you are not taking them. What you will do is eventually when the short setups start appearing, even if there are only 2 short opportunities in a week where there were 5 long trades, and you only captured those 2 short opportunities in that week, that's a profitable week. That's a winning week. So please, find your bias, go into the market and focus only on executing in the direction of your bias. What it will do is you either sit out the whole week because the market keeps printing structure that goes against your bias. Worst case scenario, you don't have a trade. Best case scenario, price moves in your intended direction and you make money. Think about this. It's very nuanced. I'm Velas the Trader, and I'll talk to you later.